Welcome to the How-To series for HR Dynamics Plus. These are a series of short videos on how to use the various functions of HR Dynamics Plus. This is How-To video number 2. How to edit employee information. You can edit by updating employee information or by deleting the employee altogether. To update an employee information from the main menu, click on Employees. This is the very first menu item to the left. Then scroll down to Registered Employees. This is usually the third item from the top. Note that depending on your version, the location may vary slightly. Click on Registered Employees. This will open the Registered Employees page. In this page, you will see a listing of your employees in a table format. Locate the employee you would like to edit. Click anywhere on that row. The Update Employee Information screen will then load. Using this screen, you can click on the various tabs at the top and make the relevant changes in the boxes, and then click the Save icon at the bottom left side. To delete an employee, at the top area of the page, you will see a text box and an orange Delete button. Simply enter the employee number of the employee you want to delete and click the Delete button. Thank you for watching.